Una samosa, dos samosas, para mi hermosa.
And our artists are having samosas.
Yeah.
In Toronto.
I'm gonna play my set soon tonight.
Yep. So what's your genre, Paul, in terms
I'm
of
thinking
this kind of
some
music?
Organic Jeep Electronica.
Mm-hmm.
Have a vibe tonight.
Nice.
Sure.
This lady is hogging on samosas.
I'm hungry.
And so am I. So I'll get back after having some samosas. How do you think samosas are? I find samosas very sexy. Like their shape, they're fat, they're voluptuous. I don't know. Samosas are very sexy. Like the creation, like the shape of
Like a
samosas.
triangle out of it.
It's a triangle, but it's a very
Like the way we are a samosa right now.
yeah.
Several bad puns later.
शॉर्ट लेना पड़ता है ना गुलाब। फेवरेट स्वीट प्रथा?
गुलाब जामुन।
आज तो बोलना ही पड़ेगा तुमको।
नहीं है।
हाँ।
हाँ, पर ये वाले।
प्रथा, Paul, yours?
मोतीचूर की लड्डू।
I guess क्या होता है? You should be sure all Paul.
I'm not that fond of
Sure. अरे, I'm a sweet guy, so I love sweets.
You're a sweet guy.
I'm a sweet guy. Believer of my vibe. If I get that vibe, I will date that person. But
sometimes it takes time too.
yeah, I agree. It takes time to get to know a person, but thoda I think I'm reluctant.
Are you looking for spark or connection?
Spark, I guess.
I am looking for a sparking connection. Sparkling connection.
Sparkling connection.
Sparkling connection. Like sparkling connection.
Water, but no, I
भाई साहब कुछ ज्यादा नहीं हो गया ये? मतलब कुछ भी
sparkling.
Yeah, it's like water sells water वैसा वाला ना. से काम दोनों वही करेगा, but sparkling होगा तो I'll feel good about myself.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Yeah.
I get it.
So the studio is getting set up.
Oh yeah, with some orange wires.
Oh yes. In-house DJ, aka Paul.
Are you guys enjoying the music?
Loving the vibe. Prita looks sleepy.
Are you sleeping?
Great vibe. Loving the setup. Thank you, Paul. So we're trying to create the vibe. He's a one-man show, doing the lightings, sound, entertainment, everything on his own, and we are just sitting and chilling. Love your setup, Paul. Really cool. What is your input in this? you're just drinking. What a lady. अरे by the way इसमें मैं भी होगा ना? ये see I am here. टुंडे कबाब. Love it. That's the wall of fame. I am there. So now he's doing something different, something technical which I don't understand.
It's just delay.
Delay. Okay, it's called delay. पारी हो रही है अरे पारी हो रही है नाइस ये तो फुल म्यूजिकल व्लॉग हो गया लोग को फ्री में म्यूजिक मिल जाएगा नाइस है ना आई कैन चार्ज देम इफ आई वांट टू just give me more views more likes more subscribers more shares $10 are you crazy? Currently living. मैं नाम सोचने में इतना टाइम लगाया था. It took a while to think about the name. It's currently living.
Yeah. Well, Jonah Karan, New York.
Yeah. No, not flaunting that. Not flaunting that. अरे यार तुम शर्मा जाती हो. What a lady. I know.
What? Like Jonah Karan, New York?
Concrete lit jungle.
भी ऐसा था, अभी भी ऐसा ही हूँ. फ्राइडे को ऐसा दोस्त लोग आ रहे हैं.
फ्राइडे तो ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. फ्राइडे ऐसे ही होना चाहिए लाइक. Pritha, you didn't subscribe to my channel. Now. बताओ मैं I'm chilling with you guys and giving you free footage. You haven't subscribed to my channel. Please फिर से देख लेना. एक please हाँ increase my views. Thanks. Beautiful lamb shank. करो अच्छे से presentation for the vlog. Everything is content. Content is everything. Beautiful. Not bad. ये behind the scenes footage है. ये vlog ही है मेरा. Instagram का behind the scenes footage is my vlog. What a concept.
Maybe you'll be picked for a reality show one day.
है ना? Roadies 20. या Big Boss.
Why not?
Big Boss 20.
भाई के fan तो है.
है ना? I love भाई. अरे हो गया है. फ्रेम खराब हो रहा है. Welcome to Pritha's Kitchen. Lights.
Wow.
Camera. Action. Bon appetit. Beautiful.
Afghani lamb shank.
Afghani lamb shank. Vegetarians unfollow ना करते. Sorry vegetarians. The samosas were for you in the starting of the vlog. But you can have rice and raita if you want. Thank you, Pritha. Once again. Yeah. गुलाब जामुन cheers यार तुम्हारा.
Cheers.
क्यों? सब कुछ कैप्चर करना है मेरे को लाइफ में. देखो कितने अच्छे बच्चे. अरे cheers ही eye contact guys. Cheers, eye contact. Cheers. मजा आ गया.
This is really good.
Good shit. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, this beautiful pan. This is a piece of art. Like even folding a pan is a piece of art, na? And it's so effortlessly done by people. Ooh.
Like the Kashmiri meetha. It's from the place Royal Pan.
Royal Pan, my God. पहले ये देखिए और फिर ये देखिए, my God. Once an Indian, always an Indian. Pan is basically betel nut leaf, and you're having some fun with the pan. I just wanted to show you this frame. This is incredible. See the reflection of the moon in the lake. Good night, guys. Had a nice Friday evening with friends, and now I'm walking back to my home and trying to post as much as possible, and like, share and subscribe, you know the drill. And don't forget to press the subscribe button, most importantly. Thank you so much. Love you too. Bye.